Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Facebook Marketplace Seller Tools, manage listings step by step clearly. Open your web browser and navigate to the Facebook website. Enter your Facebook login credentials in the provided fields. Click the login button to access your Facebook account. Once logged in, locate the Marketplace icon on the left-hand side of the page. Click on the Marketplace icon to enter the Marketplace section. On the Marketplace homepage, look for the Selling tab at the top of the page. Click on the Selling tab to view your active and inactive listings. To access Seller Tools, locate the Manage Listings option on the left menu. Click on Manage Listings to open the Seller Tools dashboard. Here, you'll see all your current listings and their statuses. To edit a listing, click on the respective listing you wish to modify. Make the necessary changes in the provided fields. Once you're satisfied, click the Save button to update your listing. To add a new listing, return to the Manage Listings page. Click on the Create New Listing button. Follow the prompts to enter the details of your new listing. Upload any images that you want to include with your new listing. After entering all information, review it for accuracy. Finally, click the Publish button to make your new listing live. You have now successfully logged into Facebook Marketplace Seller Tools and managed your listings. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.